Hi, my name is Kaizzad Capadia. I'm Director K11 Fitness Management Company Private Limited. I own a total of 11 centers of fitness academies and commercial gyms. And one of the best business decisions that I've ever taken is to take the FitnessForce Management Software. Ever since we've had FitnessForce software, our sales have improved tremendously, and that's one of the reasons is because this software is not just something to collect data. It's basically to the reports that it generates basically tells us the performance of our salespeople. FitnessForce Management Software is not just some data entry software. It actually generates reports. It generates some very interesting reports that really help me run my gyms better. It actually tells you about the performance of each and every salesperson in your team. One of my favorite reports that the software generates is something called as conversion ratios, where we actually get to know how many inquiries have come to the gym and how many inquiries have actually converted by our sales staff. These kind of insights coming from a software is something extremely special. Secondly, this is probably one of the few software as a service modules where we don't buy the software. I find these monthly payments made to rent the software and to use the software extremely useful. This software constantly evolves. You pay a monthly fee which is not more than a salary of a receptionist that you would pay, and just for that you basically get your entire organization, your business runs like a well-oiled machine. I also like the fact that it's a web-based software, so that wherever I am I can monitor my gyms. Many people see a web-based software as something as a disadvantage. They're scared about data. Data is data is as it is insecure. It just requires one person to come to your desktop software, insert a pen drive and take the data if they want. Offline softwares are no more secure or kind of a safety to data being stolen than web-based softwares. At least the web-based software is basically, it allows me to see to it that two advantages. It allows me to basically monitor my gyms no matter where I am. That is one. And secondly, any kind of maintenance for the software is done immediately through the FitnessForce team that looks after any kind of bugs that might come up in the software. Their response time is excellent. I've always been extremely happy with the service. It's not that nothing goes wrong with the software. Things go wrong with the software, but it's the way they respond to that and the quickness with which they resolve a problem that I'm so happy with. So on the whole, I would recommend every person, gym owner, single gym owner also, and multi-gym owners also, to go for the FitnessForce software. I think it's the best in the market. So basically, in a nutshell, I could give you 3 advantages of the software that make it a winner. Number one, it's web-based. I love the fact that it's web-based. I love the fact that I can access the software from anywhere I want. The second point is the subscription, the monthly subscription. I'm not buying a software. I'm not spending lakhs on buying a software and then getting worried about it becoming defunct. And that happens many a times. Your needs change, your business model evolves, and then the software can't handle it. And then you need a new software. Here, almost on a monthly basis, there are upgrades happening to your software. Your software gets customized the way you want it to be. And at the same time, the subscription is extremely reasonable. And the third point is that the results are evident. I mean, everywhere that I've used the software in all the centers, I've seen improvements and increases in revenue. The small subscription fee that I pay, I get dividends on that, tremendous dividends on that as far as profits are concerned.